In this video, I'm going to be giving you a full tutorial on how to start affiliate marketing with absolutely no followers. If you don't have a following on social media, this video is perfect for you. I'll break things down with screen recordings so you can easily follow along. Let's get straight into this video. If you are a beginner getting into affiliate marketing, sit back, relax, this is hopefully going to be a very helpful video. Alright, now that we're at the computer, let's start with the basics, having an audience versus not having an audience. If you're unfamiliar with affiliate marketing, it's essentially when you create content online and partner with companies to promote their products. Joining affiliate programs is free, you just sign up on the company's website and receive a unique referral link. You can share this link in your content, and when someone clicks it and makes a purchase, you earn a commission. Typically, affiliate marketing is taught with the assumption that you already have an audience. However, most new affiliate marketers don't have a built-in following. So, what should you do? I'm going to introduce you to the search strategy for affiliate marketing. This is a method I personally use and found it to be very successful as driving traffic. I run several YouTube channels across different niches where I post affiliate content. I don't think I have talked about this a lot on my channel, but it makes up a significant part of my online revenue. I'll walk you through the entire process to help you understand how it all fits together. For this tutorial, I'll choose a random niche to demonstrate how affiliate marketing works. Let's go with cooking, which will help us illustrate each step. First, let's see what this looks like in practice. If you head over to Instagram, a popular social media platform, and search for recipes, you'll find numerous posts that are probably using affiliate marketing already. Clicking on these posts, you'll notice that these creators already have a significant following. This visibility helps them rank on Instagram, making it easier for them to engage in affiliate marketing. For instance, one creator has 750,000 followers on Instagram. Typically, affiliate marketing involves leveraging such an audience to create content and promote products, including links to these products in the content descriptions. But what if you don't have a following? How can you appear in cooking search results when larger creators dominate the space? This is where the search strategy comes into play. Let me explain how this strategy works using Google, a tool many people overlook. There are thousands of searches on Google every single second. In the time it took me to explain that, almost 1 million searches have occurred. This volume of organic traffic far surpasses what's happening on Instagram or Facebook. This is incredibly beneficial for affiliate marketing because you don't need a following to create content that ranks on Google. An important point to note is that Google and YouTube are both owned by the same company. Many people don't realize that what you post on YouTube will also appear on Google. This means you're effectively getting double the traffic by posting in just one place. So that's the secret. To demonstrate how this all comes together, let's use cooking as our example. Every day, people search for cooking products online. For instance, let's do a basic search for best cookware for beginners and see what comes up. At the top, you'll see sponsored products, which we'll ignore. However, what appears in the main results is what we want to focus on. The first result might be an article from a site like Cooking Essentials, explaining their top cookware recommendations for beginners. These recommendations are likely affiliate links to the products they're discussing. The article will detail each cookware set, explaining why it's suitable for beginners, who it's best for, and where you can buy it. This is a prime example of how to show up in search results without having a built-up audience on social media platforms. I've been in affiliate marketing for several years, and I can share some insights from my own experience. I manage several affiliate marketing niche websites, not in cooking, but in other areas. Overall, competition has increased significantly in the past year due to the rise of artificial intelligence tools, which allow you to quickly generate extensive articles for affiliate marketing. For example, a free AI tool called ChatGPT can be used by anyone. You can simply ask it to write me a blog post about the best cookware for beginners, hit enter, and watch it generate the entire post for you. Then, you just need to add your affiliate links to the mentioned products. You can even instruct the tool to include links to 3 different cookware sets. This ease of content creation has led to a surge in competition, making it harder for my websites to stand out as they are now competing with numerous AI-generated articles flooding Google. Let's delve into the other strategy for using search engines in affiliate marketing. This is the method I've personally been using for nearly 5 years. Initially, I experimented, but now I know the exact strategy that gains lots of conversions. This strategy is about being in the right place at the right time. People who make significant money quickly often attribute their success to this concept. I'm excited to share this with you. As mentioned before, Google and YouTube are owned by the same company. Consequently, content posted on YouTube will also appear in Google search results. For example, someone searching for something related to cooking will find articles first, but as they scroll down, they will also see videos pulled directly from YouTube. Many people prefer watching videos over reading articles, so they'll click on a video, which takes them straight to YouTube. The video typically provides a visual version of what an article would cover. Below the video, you'll find affiliate links to the products mentioned. This method involves creating a video instead of writing an article, posting it on YouTube, and including affiliate links in the video description. It's important to note that while the YouTuber in the example might have a large audience, you don't need a pre-existing following to succeed with this method. By utilizing the search strategy, your content will show up in search results on Google and YouTube, driving traffic from people searching for topics related to your videos, rather than from your built-up audience. This approach ensures organic traffic flow from everyday searches on Google and YouTube. Unlike platforms like Instagram or Facebook, where posts become irrelevant after a short period, YouTube videos remain in search results for years. For instance, a top search result for essential cookware for beginners might be years old, yet it still ranks high because it's valuable content. This strategy is gaining momentum as Google cracks down on AI-generated articles. AI tools like ChatGPT allow users to create text-based articles quickly, which has led to an influx of such content on Google. However, Google is actively working to reduce this type of content, as they prefer high-value, user-generated content. Videos, even those that don't show the creator's face, are considered high value. You can create faceless videos demonstrating products and narrate your experience. This kind of content is highly favored by both Google and YouTube. This is where I'm investing my time and effort, growing niche affiliate YouTube channels. I hope this video has provided you with valuable insights. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments. See you in the next video.